if you are a creator or marketer on the internet, this generative AI tool from Adobe is going to change your life. So let's jump right into it. Before we do that, actually, make sure you like and share this video so more people can see this. So the tool is called Adobe Firefly. I just got access to the beta and it's amazing. I'll show you in a second how to get access and also how to use this tool. So a couple of things you can do with this tool. You can use text prompt to generate images. So think of graphics for social media, think of thumbnails for your YouTube videos. You can do all of that. Not just that, you can also use text-based editing with the help of AI and edit your images. And my favorite, I don't have access to this yet, but you can do video editing. Look at this. You can do video editing with simple text prompt with the help of AI. So this is just amazing. Now, to get access, go to firefly.adobe.com. Here's the URL. There will be a place where you can go enter your email, get on the beta, sign up. I got access after a few days, so you just have to stay patient, stay put. You will get an email and say, hey, you're in. So I got access to these three tools: text to image tool, text effects tool, and then the recolor vector tools. I don't have access to the video tool yet. That's my favorite. But now let me show you how to use this to create amazing graphics. Now let's play with the text to image tool. I'm gonna click on generate, and then here are image generated by other people. Now one cool thing about this Firefly from Adobe is it's using Adobe's stock images, so you don't have to worry about using other people's work stuff to create your own art or images. Now to create your own graphics, so let's say if I want to, by the way, you can recreate these two. So if I go back, I can just say, for example, if I want to do this, I can say try this prompt, and then if I do refresh, it will just create that graphic for me. I want to go back and let's say I want to create a new graphic. So I'll say a white cat with blue glasses. Don't ask me why, but I just want to create that. And then while it's working on the image creation, oh, that's actually pretty fast. Here are different things you can do with this. You can change the aspect ratio. You can go landscape. You can do widescreen for your YouTube thumbnails. You can do square for your Instagram images, portrait for your vertical images. Now here are content type, so you can do photos, graphics, art. Right now I'm generating art, but if you want to generate images, stock images, click on photos and it will change that in a second. And then you can also change styles at the right here. So you can pick different styles, different effects. Look how many options you have. You can also change the color tones, lighting, composition. And then if I hit generate, it will just kind of it's going to now generate that photo in studio lighting. So let's see how this looks like. Ooh, this is pretty neat. And you can also click on it and make it big. I don't have the other features where I can do some text-based editing, but I can't wait to get access to those. So that's the text to image tool. Let me go back and show you how to use the text effects tool. Now this is actually pretty neat too. You can use all of these text effects. So look at all these effects. So let's say my text, I want to use my brand name, so I social you. And let's say I want to use this text effect. I'll hit prompt, toasted bread, and then it's going to generate that. Oh, it's going to generate actually Firefly. It changed the text on me. Look how neat this is. So if I want to change the text back to my brand name, hit refresh, and now in a second you'll notice it will create that for me. There you go. I can also try these simple effects. I can change the background color to match with my brand colors. I can also do, ooh, this is really neat. I can do transparent background, and then I can download and use it on my other graphics or other projects. Very, very cool. So again, the name of the tool is Adobe Firefly. The URL is firefly.adobe.com. So your text generation, your video generation, you can use it for that. To get access, get on the beta, and then you should get email access in just a couple of days. If you have any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share this video so more people can see this, and now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.